Hello everyone, Sejr here. I received my Scrapping for Less's Flavor of the Month card kit for April. The first thing I noticed is that there is a new label sticker. It used to be just the original circle sticker in the center, but we have this big new one, and it's Flavor of the Month Banana Split. I'm curious to know if this is actually because I pay for the banana split that I get this, or if this is what everyone sees and it's just one plain label. Anyways, as you can tell, it is the April kit, and it looks like the collection is going to be called City Streets and Country Roads. So like always, I have no idea what's in here. I like to be surprised, and so I'm going to open this up at the same time as I record this. Very excited. I just love these and have a lot of fun. So I'll just show you a quick glimpse. Here we go. I'll close that, and then I will go one by one. And like always, I don't know what collection I'll pick up first, so it may be out of order. So we'll start off with the paper in this one. Just kind of smooth that out. There's always two pieces of 110 Classic smooth paper. And then the colors that we get this month, and I'm going to try my best to figure them out, is chocolate, very nice dark brown. Oh, that's interesting. I'm going to think it's called Starch Rain. That is really nice. I'm going to spend a little extra time on this one just because see, it has a little bit of specks on it. That's nice. That's interesting. I haven't seen that one before. This one looks like Installation Pink, Wild Cherry, Snow Cone, and then Limeade. So right off the bat, these three colors are really standing out to me. I really like those. So I'll put those aside. Okay, so the first one is collection number 2, and it's called Your Best Life, and it always comes with an envelope. Each collection always comes with an envelope, which is very nice. And then this is the paper that comes from Scrapping for Less. So I have some travel. I love travel. That's really nice. And then this looks like it's kind of like those boards that you see in the airports. Nice. These are really nice subtle colors and papers. And on the other side, you got some of those travel tickets, old school looking map. Some nice advertisement type pictures, flowers, stamps. So I can say right off the bat that I absolutely love this collection of paper. Nothing is too busy. Like even with something like this, you can utilize it so easily because it's a picture on its own. So it's not a repetitive pattern that is too distracting. Same as this one. It's a beautiful piece. I am very happy with this paper collection. It also comes with photo corners by iCraft. You also get, as always, enamel dots, and these are Shiny Yellow by Gina Marie Designs. Really nice yellow. And of course, you get a stamp set. This one caught my attention because it also says Antoni Owl Papery. So it looks like this one was designed as a collaboration with Scrapping for Less. And I can't say I really know Teresa's art that much, but this design definitely looks a little different than some of the other stamps we have. It's just a different artistic approach. So it kind of makes sense that it's a different person. I'm not saying who did it. Just caught my attention, but it's very nice. They both did a good job on it. It's just a woman on a scooter zipping by with the wind blowing, and it says, "Live your life best." So live your best life. So they're backwards. Really nice sentiment. I love that sentiment. Be happy. Never regret a day in your life. These sentiments speak so much truth. This is what I try to live my life by. These sentiments right here. So this whole collection already speaks so much to me. So thank you so much on that. So that's what you get for collection number 2, which was called Your Best Life. Okay, so the next one is collection number 3, and it is called Country Roads. As always, you do get your envelope. Sometimes you actually get different colored envelopes, and those ones I really treasure, just because when you get something so rare, it's almost like a collector's item. But we definitely get white ones. For the paper, it looks like some nice yellows and browns. And here's a photo of, looks like a dictionary. So it's some text. It has like a little bit of distress on it. So all these have a tiny bit of distress. Solid color and nice red polka dots. We flip it over, get a beautiful wood, like a cottage design. These are very cottage. I think of furniture in a cottage when I see these. This red barn, red paint. It's really nice. These are absolutely beautiful pieces of paper as well. So that's 2 for 2. That's really well done. I really like that. In this collection, you also get a piece of natural twine. You get a nice long one. You get some opaque red enamel dots by Gina Marie Designs. I think it's always a good assumption that they're going to be from Gina Marie Designs. And then you get a stamp set. And once again, it's a collaboration with Tawny Owl Papery. So it looks like 2 in this kit so far. And this one has a nice country road, the tree, the fence, and some flowers. So a nice scenery there. And the sentiments you have are thanks for your hospitality, bless your heart, and whenever you go, go with all your heart or your love. It could be whatever you want. Really nice sentiments there. And that's what you get for collection number 3. Okay, so the next collection is number 4, called Howdy Partner. You get your white envelope. For the paper, we have pink and black spots, plaid, some pink plaid, cow patterns, more plaid, really plaid cowboy. Oh, paisley. Oh, is that what that's called? That really catches my eye. That's really nice. Have some burlap paper, horseshoes, some denim, the reverse, the black with the pink dots, and some horseshoes. Really beautiful colors there. So this is the paper you get. Really nice stuff. You also get tags by Doris, and one is like a denim with a natural twine attached to it. You get a couple paper ones, it's white paper, and then you get another one, canvas, is that what you'd call that? Can you see that? So really nice tags. You get some enamel dots by Gina Marie Designs, and they are an opaque, bluish, I don't want to say teal, but they don't look the same in camera. Maybe it's just my lighting. Really pretty, really nice. And for the stamp, we are back to Sunny Studios. Last month we did not get a Sunny Studios stamp, but this month we have another one, and it's Howdy, Little Buckaroo. That's what it's called, Little Buckaroo, and you get a little cowgirl and a cowboy, and little embellishments. There's a horseshoe, a sheriff's star, and then the word howdy. Those are absolutely adorable. Look at them. Look at them. They're so happy. Ah, so sweet. And that's what you get for collection number 4, which was Howdy Partner. Okay, so that leaves us with collection number 1 called Super Host. You get your white envelope. And for the paper, we have a starburst, Yellow, very attractive, very nice. Some blue circles, red circles. These are very superhero comic style. Very nice. Oh, that's just amazing. Look at that. And the clouds. Oh my goodness. These are really nice papers. I'm going to say that this is probably, so far, for the paper collections, my absolute favorite kit. These are all just wonderful, awesome pattern paper. Okay, and you also get some yellow ribbon by American Craft, and it comes in 4 different styles. So you get a little flavor of each one, which is really nice. See that? So they all coordinate very nicely. You also get some enamel dots by Gina Marquet. In this case, more red ones, opaque red. And then for the stamp set, this is by Scrapping for Less, and it's superheroes. So we have a Supergirl here and a super guy here. And then I still believe in heroes. You're amazing. And thanks for being a super host. Cute. And then you get a nice star stamp up here. That's really nice. I really like that. I'm gonna have fun with this one. So that's what you get for collection number 1. Okay, so that leaves me with the banana split. This is something I do pay extra for, and the reason for this, as I say in every video, is because this is where you actually get the little extras, the little fun things to play with that can add to my collection that's already pretty scarce. So there's a few things here. So we'll start off with the stencil. It is called Country Road Stencils by Scrapping for Less. And it's a bunch of different things. So you have a beautiful skyline. This will actually look really nice on, actually one of the cards that I'm working on. I was playing around with, this is not related to Scrapping for Less, but I was playing around with just distress inks. So having a little city skyline, that actually would look pretty nice, or some of these flowers. But yeah, I really like that. Plain. Then you have the stencil, Country Road Takes Me Home. Some flowers, so 2 types of flowers, and then a nice star cluster here. So this one is a little different from the other kits, where the other kits was more like a design, and this one is pieces. So that's really nice. You can just take a piece that you want and add it to your card. You do get a white or a black gel pen. In my case, I did get a white one. And it says, I can't pronounce that, I'm sorry. Reminisce? I don't know. So it's supposed to be a 1 point, I think it said 1 point. So it's a little bit thick, not a fine tip. So that's nice. So I can add that to, if I do any alcohol marking, I can add that as a highlight, for example. You also get a little bag of sequins by Scrapping for Less. And this has a nice little collection of variety of shapes and colors. So you have some small black ones, a little green spiral, the typical blue shaped ones, some pink, and I think there's some flowers in there too. So that's really nice. You can have a lot of fun with that one. Oh, there's actually little beads in there too. So this would be really good with a shaker card, which I have yet to make. And then you also get, it's called a flowery camera die. So it's going to make a camera, or it's a shape of a camera with a lot of flowers on it. The only other thing that I got was this sticker sheet here, but I don't see it on the ingredient sheet, so I'm not sure which collection it was supposed to fall under. But it's just black circles with white fancy script lettering. No numbers, just letters. So that's everything for this collection for April 2020. Once again, the theme is called City Streets and Country Roads. It has absolutely wonderful cardstock papers, pattern papers this month. I absolutely love them all. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this kit. So thank you so much for providing this for us. I will start working on this hopefully this weekend and see how many cards I can make. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you all, guys. I'll catch you all later. Thank you. Take care. Bye.